Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us for our Tuesday weather video brought to you by Country TV, Sky Channel 081. Well, not hard to miss our big low on the map at the moment. Now, this time last week we were talking about a low that was the largest low pressure system on Earth. This week we have a large low, but it's not the biggest on Earth. It's certainly not even at the most severe end, but it does have pockets of severe weather. Now, for those this morning, plenty of radio stations talking about all the big heavy rain and thunderstorms, but actually most of it fell out at sea in this area here, and that's the reason why you can see parts of Northland and Auckland and much of New Zealand. It wasn't pouring with rain when the satellite map image was taken on Tuesday morning, but this is all yet to move in, and this is going to spark some thunderstorms, hail showers, and behind it, a colder southerly. So let's take a look at the wind and rain maps for Wednesday, and you can see that big low. You see what I mean? There's another low over there, which is probably bigger in size. So this is certainly no repeat of last week's big storm, but it's certainly going to provide some severe weather. We see that in the form of isolated heavy downpours on Wednesday. Some are squally with strong gusty to gale force winds, hail, and an isolated thunderstorm or two, mostly around the North Island's northern and western areas. Winds, they're a bit blustery in some areas, but when the low gets spread over a bigger area, sometimes the winds get spread with it. So we're not really seeing the same intensities. Strongest winds look to be out at sea there. Now, when we get to Thursday, that's when the colder southerly arrives. If you look at all these arrows here pointing with the winds, they come right off the Antarctic ice shelf and they sweep northwards like this into Southland, Otago and Canterbury. So it will get cold, snow to lowish levels, maybe 300 or 400 metres overnight tonight and into Thursday morning for Southland and Otago. We're not expecting snow to sea level. If we do, it'll be a very isolated, rare, one-off thing at this stage. It doesn't look like it's going to be cold enough. And with Napier, a lot of you asking about snow to sea level there, doesn't look likely. 500 metres is the snow level for Hawke's Bay, which may impact the Napier-Taupo Highway and the Desert Road later on Thursday. So there we go, changing weather and clearing weather coming in behind it for Friday and Saturday. We'll give you the full forecast, of course, on Wednesday. And don't forget, for the 10-day forecast, go to Country TV, Sky Channel 081.